Hello, Jainarayan students. Good morning to all of you. So, after starting our topic, I want to ask you some questions. So, have you ever heard about the fools? And can the fools ever rule or ever be a king? So, let's read this story about the foolish king and his kingdom. So, what is the story name? In the kingdom of fools. Kingdom means Rajya, Shashan. Let's read. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and the minister were idiots. They didn't want to run things like other kings. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night, till their field and run their businesses only after dark, and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. The people did as they were told for fear of death. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. So, in the kingdom of fools is an interesting story of a kingdom run by a foolish king. There was a kingdom of fools. In this kingdom, both the king and the minister were idiots. They reversed everything and denied justice to their people. They changed day into night and night into day. They ordered their people to sleep during the day and work only after dark. Anyone who disobeyed their order would be put to death. The people did accordingly. और वो कर भी क्या सकते थे, अगर किंग ने बोला है तो करना तो वही पड़ेगा. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. So, one day, two men, a guru and his disciple, visited to this kingdom and found everything reverse. उन्होंने पाया कि यहाँ हर चीज़ उल्टी है. They were surprised to see people sleep in the broad daylight, and when darkness spread, everyone became active. So उन्हें काफ़ी अजीब लगा कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ उल्टी है. Their surprise doubled when they went to the market and found that everything cost the same. A single judge, the guru and his disciple were happy because the system allowed them to buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. So the two men were hungry. Now that the shop were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same. A single dudu. Dudu means करेंसी, लाइक कॉइन्स मीन्स अ रुपी, यानी कि उनको हर चीज़ 1 रुपये की ही मिल रही थी. वेदर दे ब्रॉट अ मेजर ऑफ राइस और अ बंच ऑफ बनानास, इट कॉस्ट अ डूडू. मीन्स उसका सबका रेट क्या था, 1 रुपये ही था. इट कॉस्ट अ डूडू. द गुरु एंड हिज डिसाइपल वर डिलाइटेड. दे हैड नेवर हियर्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग लाइक दिस. दे कुड बाई ऑल द फूड दे वॉन्टेड फॉर अ रुपी. When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. This is no place for us. Let's go, he said to his disciple. But the disciple didn't want to leave the place. Everything was cheap here. All he wanted was good, cheap food. The Guru said, They are all fools. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do to you next. But the disciple wouldn't listen to the Guru's wisdom. He wanted to stay. The Guru finally gave up and said, "Do what do you want? I am going," and left. The disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day, bananas and ghee and rice and wheat, and grew fat like a street side sacred bull. So, so their surprise doubled when they went to the market and found that everything cost the same, a single rupee. The Guru and his disciple were very happy because the system allowed them to buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. जो भी वो खरीदना चाहते थे वो सब कुछ वहाँ पे 1 रुपए का ही मिल रहा था, इसलिए गुरु और उसके जो डिसाइपल था वो बहुत खुश थे. द गुरु वॉज वाइस पर्सन. गुरु बहुत बुद्धिमान थे. ही टोल्ड हिज डिसाइपल दैट इट वुड नॉट बी सेफ फॉर देम टू स्टे हियर in the kingdom of fools, but the disciple was not ready to leave the place because good and cheap food was available there. So the Guru left the kingdom and the disciple stayed on. Being a great foodie, he ate his fill every day and became fat in a few days. Disciple ने उनकी बात नहीं मानी और डिसाइपल वहीं पे रुक गया बिकॉज सब कुछ वहाँ पे बहुत चीप थी, तो उसे लगा कि मुझे यहाँ रुकना चाहिए, तो डिसाइपल रुक गया. बट उनके गुरु ने वो किंगडम छोड़ दिया. वॉट हैपेंड द नेक्स्ट? वन ब्राइट डे a thief broke into a rich merchant's house. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in, and as he was carrying out his loot, the wall of the old house collapsed on his head and killed him on the spot. His brother ran to the king and complained, "Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, a wall fell on him and killed him. This merchant is to blame. He should have built a good and strong wall. You must punish the wrongdoer and compensate the family for this injustice." The king said, "Justice will be done. Don't worry," and at once summoned the owner of the house. So one day, a thief broke a rich merchant's house by making a big in the wall. But as he was going out with the stolen things, the wall of the old house collapsed. जैसे ही वो थीफ चोरी करके भाग रहा था, उसी समय वो पूरा घर, उसकी पूरी दीवार उसके ऊपर गिर गई on his head and killed him on that spot. The brother of the thief came running to the king and pleaded him to punish the merchant for not building a good and strong wall. The merchant was brought before the king. What happened the next? The king said, "Justice will be done. Don't worry," and at once summoned the owner of the house. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him, "What's your name?" "Such and such, your highness." "Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house?" "Yes, my lord. He broke in and wall was weak. It fell on him." The accused pleads guilty. "Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you." "Lord," said the helpless merchant, "I didn't put up the wall. It's really the fault of a man who built the wall. He didn't build it right. You should punish him." "Who is that?" "My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. He lives nearby." The king sent out messenger to bring the bricklayer who had built the wall. They brought him tied hand and foot. "You there? Did you build this man's and wall in his father's time?" "Yes, my lord, I did." What kind of a wall is this that you built? It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. Before the king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded, please listen to me before you give your orders. It's true, I built this wall and it was no good. But that was because my mind was not on it. I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her ankles jingle. And I couldn't keep my eye on my mind on the wall I was building. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives. So, the king heard the case and found merchant guilty of the thief spot death. But the merchant put the blame on the bricklayer. मर्चेंट के ऊपर उसका आता है, लेकिन मर्चेंट ने बोला कि नो, आई एम नॉट द मर्डरर, द ब्रिकलेयर वॉज अ मर्डरर हु हैड बिल्ड द वॉल, क्योंकि उसने वॉल बनाई. द ब्रिकलेयर प्लीडेड द किंग टू पनिश एंड द डांसिंग गर्ल who distracted his attention by going up and down that street all day with her anklets jingling, the dancing girl. सो ब्रिकलेयर ने कहा, योर हाइनेस, इसमें मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. मैंने उस वॉल को इसलिए कमज़ोर बनाया क्योंकि उस टाइम एक डांसिंग गर्ल थी जो बार बार स्ट्रीट पे आ रही थी, जा रही थी, और मैं उसको देख के अट्रैक्ट हो रहा था. मेरी अटेंशन जो थी वो उसकी तरफ जा रही थी. दैट्स वाई वो जो वॉल है वो पूरी कमज़ोर बन गई. नाउ एन ओल्ड वूमेन वॉज ब्रॉट टू द कोर्ट. शी पुट द ब्लेम ऑन द गोल्ड स्मिथ. See the next para. You are right. The case depends. We must look into it. It is not easy to judge such complicated cases. Let's get that dancer. Dancer को बुलाया गया. Whatever she is, the dancing girl, now an old woman, came trembling to the court. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? जब वो वॉल बना रहा था तो क्या आप आ रही थी, जा रही थी, और क्या आपने उसे देखा वॉल बनाते हुए? Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. So you did walk up and down with your anklets jingles? You were young and you distracted him. So he built a bad wall. It has fallen on a poor burglar and killed him. You have killed an innocent man. You will have to punish. She thought for a minute and said, my lord, wait. I know now why I was walking up and down that street. I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for me, and he was a lazy scoundrel. He made so many excuses, said he would give it now and he would give it then, and so on all day. मीन्स उस डांसर ने बोला कि माई लॉर्ड, दिस इज़ नॉट माई फॉल्ट. मैं वहाँ पे इसलिए आ जा रही थी बिकॉज मैंने अपनी ज्वेलरी एक गोल्ड स्मिथ को बनाने को दी थी और वो मुझे बार बार एक्सक्यूज़ेस दे रहा था, उससे कंप्लीट नहीं कर रहा था. दैट्स वाई मैं बार बार वहाँ पे आ रही थी. तो ये सारा ब्लेम डांसर ने किसको दे दिया? डांसर ने ब्लेम दे दिया आपके गोल्ड स्मिथ को कि गोल्ड स्मिथ की गलती है, उसने ऐसा किया. शी टोल्ड द किंग दैट शी हैड गिवन सम गोल्ड टू द गोल्ड स्मिथ टू मेक सम ज्वेलरी फॉर हर, बट ही डिलेड द वर्क and made her work too slow. So that's why I go his house several times. The goldsmith was produced before the king. Now the goldsmith was produced before the king. What happened the next? Poor thing, she is absolutely right, thought the king, waiting the evidence. We have got the real culprit at last. Get the goldsmith wherever he is hiding. Goldsmith को बुला के लाइए. At once the king bailiffs search for the goldsmith who was hiding in a corner his shop. When he heard the accusation against him, he had his own story to tell. My lord, he said, I am poor goldsmith. It's true I made this dancer come many times to my door. I have her excuses because I couldn't finish making her jewelry before I finished the rich merchant's orders. They had a wedding coming and they wouldn't wait. You know how impatient rich men are. Who is this rich merchant who kept you from finishing this poor woman's jewelry, made her walk up and down, which distracted this bricklayer, which made a mess of his wall, which has now fallen on an innocent man and killed him? Can you name him? So he said that now the goldsmith said that he had to attend to a rich merchant's order, क्योंकि गोल्ड स्मिथ को एक ऑर्डर मिला था जो कि मर्चेंट ने दिया था. एंड फर्स्टली वो किसी वेडिंग सेरेमनी का कोई उनका वर्क था गोल्ड स्मिथ को जो दिया गया था, तो वो मर्चेंट का वर्क उनको पहले करना था. सो द मर्चेंट्स ऑर्डर फर्स्ट एज देयर वॉज अ वेडिंग सेरेमनी इन हिज फैमिली. ही सेड it was therefore he made the dancing girl come to his door many times. The king asked the name of the merchant. So see what happened. मर्चेंट ने ब्रिकलेयर को कहा, ब्रिकलेयर ने डांसिंग गर्ल को कहा, डांसिंग गर्ल ने आपके गोल्ड स्मिथ को कहा, एंड देन गोल्ड स्मिथ ने फिर से बताया कि मर्चेंट के कारण ऐसा हुआ.